Okay, here's question 6. All right, it says here, linear functions m and p are shown below. Here's function m and here's function p. Again, look at function p. That's a linear equation. That means that will make a straight line. And then we know that this is also going to make a straight line because it says linear functions. So they're both going to be making a straight line. All right. In comparing the rates of change, which statement about function m and function p is true? So now, just to get a gist of this whole thing, these choices are just showing what's happening when you compare the rates of change. All right. So let's go through our hints, starting with hint number 1. Hint number 1, it says I'm comparing the rates of change. Remember, the rates of change means that we're going to be looking for the slope. So what you want to do now is that you want to be able to find your slopes. So for hint 1, let's see if you find what your slopes are, meaning finding the rate of change or the slope. Hint number 2, since we know we have to find the slope for both of these functions, function m and function p, let's go to function m. We have to find the slope of this table, right? Remember, these are points, right? That will then, if we plot these points, they will make a straight line. So remember, to find the slope, you use this equation. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1, and you will now take that and you'll subtract it. Divide it by x2 minus x1. All right, there it is. So that's the equation, that's the formula that you're using in order for you to find the slope of function m. That's hint number 2. Hint number 3, now we will have to find the slope for function p. And remember, since it's in slope-intercept form, that means it's going to be y is equal to mx plus b. All right, there it is. So now what you want to do is let's put this in this color. You want to now look at the rate of change or the slope here. Once you find out what the slope is, you want to get this rate of change or slope, and you're making comparison between the two to be able to answer the question. Hope those hints were helpful. Good luck with this. Do well. You got this.